Who are you? Who are you का मतलब होता है तुम कौन हो। Who are you? तुम कौन हो। I know who you are. I know who you are. मुझे पता है तुम कौन हो। Tell him who I am. Tell him who I am. इसे बताओ मैं कौन हूँ। Who are you to him? Who are you to him? तुम उसके कौन हो। Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? तुम्हें पता है मैं कौन हूँ। Who am I? Who am I? मैं कौन हूँ। Who was he? Who was he? वो कौन था। Whoever you are. Whoever you are. तुम जो भी हो। Don't mumble. Don't mumble का मतलब होता है बड़बड़ाओ मत। Don't mumble बड़बड़ाओ मत। Don't hum. Don't hum का मतलब होता है गुनगुनाओ मत। Don't hum गुनगुनाओ मत। Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. हिचकिचाओ मत। Don't stammer. Don't stammer. तितलाओ मत। Make someone else do it. Make someone else do it. किसी और से ये करवा लो। I will not be able to do it. I will not be able to do it. मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा। He broke the glass. He broke the glass. उसने गिलास तोड़ा। He shattered the glass. He shattered the glass. उसने गिलास चकनाचूर कर दिया। My dream came true. My dream came true. मेरा ख्वाब पूरा हो गया। Half an hour is left. Half an hour is left. आधा घंटा रह गया है। The shirt is stained. The shirt is stained. Is this something to be hidden? Is this something to be hidden? क्या ये छुपाने वाली बात है। You must be tired. You must be tired. तुम ज़रूर थके हुए होगे। It takes time. It takes time. इसमें टाइम लगता है। He does not come out of his room. He does not come out of his room. वो अपने कमरे से बाहर नहीं आता। Go home and rest. Go home and rest. घर जाकर आराम करो। This stain can't be removed. This stain can't be removed. ये दाग नहीं हट सकता। I never borrow money. I never borrow money. मैं कभी पैसे उधार नहीं लेता। I tried a lot, but all in vain. I tried a lot, but all in vain. मैंने बहुत कोशिश की, पर सब बेकार गया। Let me play. Let me play. मुझे खेलने दो। The time to play is over. The time to play is over. खेलने का वक्त खत्म हो गया। It's time to sleep. It's time to sleep. सोने का टाइम हो गया है। Let me play a little. Let me play a little. मुझे थोड़ा खेलने दो।